be selected for the Nyota Fund?
So first of all, thank you, Sharon, but what they are calling Nyota Fund, already application window is closed for business support. So we opened up application for this particular component last year in March. That was the first round of application. And then also around August there, we reopened the window for the second window. And so we already have pre-selected. Actually, we already have selected the beneficiaries. It was through a digital platform. You did not require any reference. You just needed, like I say, to dial *254#. There you'll get the 3 components. You'll get the business support. If you are going for skilling, you'll get the RPL there. You'll get the OJE, which is currently ongoing. And then very soon we are going to roll out the 4th component, which is training on how to access market, especially the government procurement opportunities, the AGPO, where we are targeting to support at least 600,000 existing youth entrepreneurs, but we'll be rolling out that call very soon. And again, it will still be through the same platform, *254#, the Hustler Fund platform. So the eligibility in terms of age, we are targeting young people between 18 years to 29 years and up to 35 years for those who have challenges, those with disabilities. And then also in terms of education qualification, you should not have gone beyond Form 4 level of education. You do not need any qualification. Either you never went to school, you dropped out for some reason here and there, but your top qualification should be a maximum of Form 4 certificate. And then we also big on gender. We are looking at, we need 50-50 in terms of gender parity. We also emphasizing on 5% representation, being persons with disability. And again, we are looking at equality across all wards in Kenya. So, for example, business support, where we want to empower more than 100,000, we have been targeting equal representation in each and every ward in Kenya. And this is very good because what it has shown, like for example, on Monday, we will be benefiting more than 8,000 young people drawn across the 105 wards in the 3 counties of Siaya, Kisumu, and Homa Bay. What it means is that, unlike before when people thought that to be an entrepreneur, you must be born, this program has demonstrated that entrepreneurs can be made. And indeed, there is no corner of this country where we don't have a potential in entrepreneurship. So this is one big demonstration that this program has brought to the fore. Many people used to think that our people, especially from this part of the world, cannot do business, but these numbers have really vindicated for some of us who believe that even our Luo young people from this Luo nation can do business because of the high interest that has been shown so far. So those are the basic qualifications. And of course, you must show interest, you must demonstrate highest level of dedication and discipline to be able to thrive in business. And this so far we have seen, having interacted with these young people from the when they started applying, up to the time when they did the entrepreneurship aptitude test, and then of course during the training. The discipline is there, the dedication is there, and therefore we believe that we have a community of young entrepreneurs that are going to help grow this region.
And then apart from that, in terms of the 50,000